Hey guys, this is EYL A92 Alarms, and this is going to be System Test 31. And just a little disclaimer, if I see a comment saying, oh, your voice is so annoying, oh, you should be quiet, you know what? Don't tell me what to do. Because if I see a comment like that in my comments box, I want to delete it. And you know what? Enough is enough. So, let's get started. Anyway, so, see. Anyway, so not much changes on the system. I've made some minor changes probably in the notification appliances, but overall, was working well. Yeah, let's just go on to view the system anyway. We have the home sync module, same panel as always. We're at the Faraday chevron. I think it's an F1GG, something like that. We got simplex 198, 9636 smoke with 9211 base. So yeah, that's all these two zones, all these two devices are on zone 1. But here we have the simplex 493 9219 orange strobe. It's going to do mid-March time on the panel, pretty much. Of the simplex 499 9006 pull, an actuator, and the 494 9157 remote strobe, and the 498 9601 smoke detector simplex. We still have the 494 9111 remote strobe, the DT11, which I'm not testing today. And we have the Firelight BG12, which is down in here now. We have the 4251-21 behind the stopper, behind the mini stopper. And we have the 2903 9001 strobe, light plate with the 9833 horn. 9833 horn. And aside it, we have a Gentex GXS remote strobe. Yeah, for ADA stuff anyway. But we have a same thing as always, the Simplex 2098. Yeah, 2098 9201 smoke. So I'm not going to be testing with smoke. Can't smoke. I'm also going to be testing for the magnet because I don't feel like wasting my smoke check. Anyway, the panel is set to March time from the NAT coder. You can see that. And let me see. I have everything ready here. Okay, yeah, I do. So, without further ado, let's pull it. I gotta see that one as well. You'll see this in a second while this is connected to. This is actually a wireless 5800 module, which is, yeah, a wireless module for the Vista. Yes, I did interconnected it too, which is disabled at the moment. So I don't want to go off if I'm testing this. So reset it. Okay, let's reset. Reset the panel here. Reset. Alright. Now we're going to test the 9636 smoke. So, here we go. The testing's right there. Out there, right there. There it goes. My rear alarm. Okay, we've got 2 alarms now, as you can see. This one and the one in zone 2. So you got alarms 2 now. Reset the pulsation over here. Alright, so we'll reset. And we'll reset the system to the navigator. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and test the BG12. So, here we go. There it is. Alright. We'll go ahead and reset. I think I did reset the pulsation, didn't I? Yeah. I'll go ahead and now reset the panel. I'm going to change it to a different coding. Actually put slow march time. Just because. Alright. Slow march. And the LCD on this panel is starting to go bad a little bit, but whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and test the 498.9601. No, 498.9601, yeah. There it goes. There's the test. Silence it by the annunciator. There's the alarm. Okay. Actually got one more switch I gotta do. So there it is. Yeah, alarms on 1. And we'll go ahead and reset. Now, we'll reset from here. So this little thing here is a 5817 3-point wireless transmitter. It's basically like a 3-point zone. So I have one as only open for the fire alarm panel, where now it's disconnected because I don't want to go off. I don't want it to go off. And as well as trouble functions, as well as a trouble signal as well, in case the system goes into a trouble. And this will send it to the Vista 20P down there, as well with the VisiLink EVL4 that I have in there, or eyes on EVL4, the VisiLink 4. You'll see that in the next Vista 20P test. But anyway, now I'm going to do the Simplex pulsation in the back room. That is going to be the 4251. This 21 that's behind the mini stopper. Alright. Here we go. So we'll silence that there. And yeah, this LCD is going bad. It's losing contrast, but you can still read it anyway. Backroom pull station, restroom heat and pull. Heat detector and pull station. Okay, that's what all the pulls. And now we'll go ahead and reset the panel. There's the GXS remote strobe. Flashes a little faster actually. This is 490. Is it 404 9101? Yeah, you can see it flashing there. 219 not 4 wireless silence. Remote strobe. Alright. Now reset from the panel. Let's change it to a different coding. Actually, we'll do continuous just for the hell of it. Because I'm going to do this quick now. But anyway, once this goes, I'm going to silence this really quick. Anyway, here we go. This is going to scare y'all. Maybe. Jeez, that's a lot. Wow. Even continuous just for a little bit. Just wow. There it is. It's bright too. The strobe's actually kind of bright in that one too. Anyway, there. Got it. There it is. Zone 4. See? So we're reset. And stay tuned for this little module because I'm going to demonstrate in next Vista 20p test. Anyway, that was System Test 31. You guys enjoyed this test. And yeah, just for a little bit, I actually am going to do another Vista 20p test. Actually, I think I might actually show you this right now, but actually no, I'll do a next Vista 20p test. The next Vista 20p test. There's the panel down there. You can see and there's the smoke, because why not? I like to put it in here. And why have and why do I have a i3 in here? Well, because why not? And it's connected to the Vista 20p. It's not connected to the Vialarm panel. It's only connected to the Vista 20p. So yeah, so there it is, guys. It's the fire alarm system, and yeah. If you guys enjoyed this test, you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.